Hi guys, hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I hope my voice is clear. Let me know if you have any trouble while listening me.
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
All right. So since it is our first class, let me introduce myself. Maybe most of you are already aware about me, but let's try from the starting. My name is Ankush Thavdi. I am the founder of this Learnomate technology. I have 10 plus years of experience with the different technologies. I'm personally giving the training on Oracle Dba, Hadoop Big Data technologies, SQL and Linux technologies. And apart from this, we also have offline training as well as online training going on the platform Learnomate technologies. So if you're looking for any offline training, you can visit our office in Pune location. In Pune, we have an office in Wakad location. So those people who are from Pune, they might be aware about this, and you can search it over the Google, the location of Learnomate Technologies. So we do provide a training on different technologies. Today we are connecting to learn about the Oracle DBA. What is Oracle DBA? How's the career of Oracle DBA? All those things we are going to learn. So today is our first class related to the Oracle DBA. Now let's try to understand what is Oracle DBA and everything. Okay, let me share my screen so that my request to everyone is please be on mute. I'll give you a right opportunity to talk. You can ask your question on that time. So please be on mute. And those people who are not able to hear me, they can reconnect and try to join back. Okay. So let's try to understand about the Oracle DBA. So what is Oracle DBA? Like when I started my career as a administrator, that is the first question which is coming in every person whoever want to start their career into the IT industry, that like what exactly we do inside Oracle DBA. Now what is database? We'll start from very basic. What is database first? Okay, so database means where you are going to store your data. Let's say this is my database, and in this database I'm going to store my data. What type of data you are going to store? Just take an example that you are going to the bank. Okay, you are visiting any SBI bank, and there you are saying that hi sir, I want to open my account into your bank, into your SBI bank or any bank. Okay, so what he will do, he will ask you to fill up one form. You will enter your details like your first name, last name, gender, salary, whatever details you they have asked in the form. You'll fill it, and finally once he will click on the submit button, because your form will go to the banking person. He'll fill up the form online, and that details will go inside your Oracle database in the form of table. So in this database there will be some tables will be there. So if I draw this database, you will find that inside that database there will be some small table will be there, and that table is holding your information. What information? The information like what is your first name, what is your account number, what is your salary, okay, what is your name. Like let's say your name is Chetan. Your account number is, let's say, 3134 something number, and your salary is 10,000. Okay, all that details will be stored in the form of table, and but where? It will be inside your database. So this will be my database. You can consider that this is my database, which is having small tables will be there, or it can be big tables also. So let's say there is one table is there related to your salary. So salary specific information, it will be there. There will be a table related to the income tax, and there will be a table related to the personal data. So it will consider your all the personal data. Salary details will be there, income tax details will be there, and there will be one table called transactions. So your transaction tables will be there. which is basically store your data in the form of rows and column, and that is a database. So we got to know about the database now. We got to know about the database now. Now what is this A? Database, we got to know what is this A. A is for admin or administrator. Don't consider that in the market we have only one Oracle database is there. In the market, like in our IT industry, we have a different databases are there. So we have a database called Oracle, we have a database called MySQL, we have a database called PostgreSQL. Okay, we have a database called SQL Server. Likewise, we have a multiple different databases are there. Like whenever you are purchasing any product, do you think that that product will be of only one company? No, you have a multiple product. Let's say you are purchasing laptop, you have a laptop of HP company, you have a laptop of Acer, Asus, Dell, lot of companies are there. So same way, like that only, same way, like that only, we have a multiple databases are there, different databases we have. But we are talking about the Oracle database. So let's assume that your client is using Oracle database and you want someone who will start this database, stop this database, who will administrator of this database. Administrator means who is the take care person of this database, who can take care of this database, and we called it as a database administrator. So we have Oracle DBA, we have MySQL DBA, we have PostgreSQL, we have SQL Server DBA. We have a database along with their database administrators are there. So whenever you go for any job opportunity, if you are expert with the Oracle technology, you will be looking a job under Oracle DBA, under Oracle DBA. If you are taking a training under MySQL, you will take the training of MySQL and you will become a MySQL DBA. So likewise, we have a different databases are there and their respective database administrators are there. Now there will be a question in your mind that, okay, now by taking your training, we are becoming Oracle DBA. That's okay. But what we exactly do as a Oracle DBA? We got to know that, okay, this is my database. Under this database, we have these tables are there. Okay. But what is like what we will do as a Oracle DBA? What we will do as a Oracle DBA, that we need to understand. And that is what we are going to understand in our today's lecture. Okay. Now this database, it will be on one server. Server, what is server? Okay, many people might be not aware about the server. A server you can consider like your operating system. Like I'm currently using my Windows 11 machine, correct? This is my Windows 11 machine. So likewise, this Windows 11 machine, we can have multiple servers. Like you can have Linux server, you can have Unix server. It can be different server. Windows 11 machine is also a kind of server you can consider. You can consider it as a server only. Now on this Windows 11 machine, okay, you are installing your softwares. What software you are installing? Now you can see here, I am installing a software like Chrome software. Okay, I'm installing a software called WhatsApp software. I'm installing a software like Excel software, where I'm installing on my Windows 11 machine. So this Windows 11 machine you can consider like as your server. Same way, but in real-time production environment, you are not going to use this Windows 11 machine. But there is a same to same kind of server. We called it as a Windows server. That is like Windows server. So it can be your Windows server, or it can be your Linux server, or it can be your Unix server. Server means just like you are considered like this is my server. This is my Windows 11 machine. And on the top of it, I am going to install a software. What is that software? We called it as a Oracle database software. Just like I have installed a different software here on my Windows machine, right? Same way I am going to install my Oracle database software. Oracle database software I am going to install on my Linux server, Unix server, or Windows server, whatever servers your client is going to use. Most of the time, like you can see that 90% will be server on Linux only and few servers will be on Windows. But we should know how to administrator, how to become admin of this database. whether it is installed on Linux or it is installed on Windows. So basically we are more concerned about the database, this side. So we will have a server, if it is a Windows server, it will be installed by your Windows team. You don't need to install it. Who will install it? Windows team, they will install it. If it is a Linux server, who will install it? Linux team will install it. If it is a Unix server, who will install it? Your Linux team or Unix team, they are the same team. They will only install it. What is your responsibility to install a database? As a Oracle DBA, you are responsible to install this Oracle database. Your client will drop you an email message saying that, hi database team, can you please install Oracle database Oracle 19c on this server? So as a DBA, you should know how to install a Oracle database. So that is the first responsibility, like database installation. How are you going to do that? We will have one server. Let's consider that this is my Linux server. And on this Linux server, I am going to install my Oracle 19c. What is this 19c? This is a version of your database, Oracle 19c. Your responsibility is database installation. That's my first responsibility as a Oracle DB. What about the second responsibility? The second responsibility is your database should be up and running. What should be? Your database should be up and running. What is meant by up and running? See, this is my server, okay? And on this server, I install this database. What will happen? This database will be connected to some applications. This database will be connected to some application like, just take an example like Facebook. You will not find the application like Facebook, but I'm just taking example. Let's say this is my Facebook application, and to this application your users are connected. The users means the normal user like you and me, right? Like every morning we are checking like how many friend requests we got, how many comments we got, how many likes we got on our profile picture. All those things we are checking, right? So this is getting connected to, like, we are connecting to the application. This is our back, this is our application. Facebook is our application. But take one example that you are uploading one picture. Let's say you are uploading one picture, where that picture will be uploaded on your database, that Facebook database, wherever it is connected, whatever database they are using, it is getting stored on your database site, where it is getting stored. And when you want to see that picture you can see over the Facebook, but from where it is coming? It is coming from your database only. Let me repeat it. What I'm saying, I want to upload one picture, so I'll click on the upload button and I will upload it from here. That picture will be stored here inside your database. When you want to see it, when you want to see that picture, that details is coming from your database only, and that way you can see it by using your Facebook application. So Facebook is not storing anything. Facebook is just a front end. Like, to use something, we need an application, right? So Facebook is just a front end. To see whatever comments you got, that is just an interface. But basically your data gets stored inside your database only. So if my database goes down, try to understand one thing, that if my database goes down, do you think that you will be able to use this Facebook application? No. You will not be able to see your profile picture, because your profile picture is available inside this database. Your comments, whatever comments you are doing, fantastic, fabulous, whatever comments you are doing, all these are getting stored inside the database tables here inside this. Now if your database is down, do you think that you can able to see all that comment over here? No, that's not possible. That is the reason I'm telling you that as a DBA, your database should be up and running. How? 24 across 7. 24 across 7 means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Day, night, morning, evening, whatever times you have, it should be up and running. And that is the reason as a Oracle DBA, you will be working in all the shifts. Like many projects are working in 24 across 7. Like you need to go in morning shift, afternoon shift, night shift. Not compulsory. Sometimes the people will from different shifts also, like from India you will cover your morning and afternoon, and from US they will cover their morning is our night here. So this way also you can cover your 24 across 7. That is all depend upon project to project. So we got to know about that why our database should be up and running. This part is pretty much clear, and that is the reason we are getting paid. That is the reason we are getting paid to ensure that my database should be up and running. See, I'll tell you one more very small example. Nowadays you can see that there was a big billion day was there. Amazon, some of the shoppings like discount offer was going on couple of last 1 week, right? So we cannot say that if I want to purchase a mobile phone, so I will purchase it in the night, but night I cannot purchase because my database is down. That's not possible, right? If I want to purchase a camera or mobile phone, I will purchase it anytime. Why I'm able to do, why I'm able to purchase a camera anytime? Because their databases are up and running anytime. Amazon DBA cannot say that, boss, I'm going to go, I'm going to take a sleep now. Let it should not happen like that. Is the reason your database should be 24 across 7. Because if their database is down and if you are not able to purchase something, it means it is a loss to the company, and company cannot bear the loss. They want their database to be up and running 24 across 7. So that is the second thing. Now third thing is your, take an example of backup and recovery. Backup and recovery. What is backup? See, in my account, I can see that, let's consider that in my account, I have some data is there. Okay. In my account, I have a data is available. Okay. In my account, I can see that I have $100 are there. Okay. In my account, I have $100 are there. So that is just a number, right? That is just a number. But from where it is coming? This number is coming from your database. So let's assume that I'm using SBI Bank. Inside this SBI Bank, there is a SBI database is there. There is one table is there. That table is having an entry like $100. And I can see that $100 by using the SBI application, correct? SBI application. Nowadays apps we are using, mobile apps. So I'm entering my user ID password and I can see that I have $100 in my account. Okay. From where this data is coming? That $100 that is coming from this table only, which is your SBI table. There will be a table which is saying that, okay, name is Ankush and he is having $100, something like this, and it is stored like this. And that is the reason I can see that in my SBI application. So you can imagine that how important that data is. Let's say this SBI database got corrupted because of certain issue. Just take example that your SBI database itself got corrupted. SBI is a very big bank in the India, right? Millions of record will be there. If that database got corrupted, how you will come to know that how much amount was there in your pocket online? That's not possible, right? So backup is very important. That is the reason we are always taking a backup. As a Oracle DBA, you should know how to take a backup of your Oracle database. You should know that. As a Oracle DBA, you should know how to take a backup of your Oracle database. That is very important. If you don't know how to take a backup, why we are taking a backup? Because of XYZ reason, if my database got corrupted, I have a backup available. Let's say I place my backup in some location here. I will use this backup and I'll restore my database one more time. I can do that. Many times as a Oracle DBA, you need to take a backup. That is a most important activity as a Oracle DBA. Daily you are going to take a backup. So we are going to learn in our class like what are all different types of utilities are there, which we will take a backup, like rman, export, import, and how are you going to take a backup. And once a backup is available with me, how I am going to restore that backup and create a database. So that activity we are going to learn in our class, that is the backup and recovery. And this is the most important activity that you will do, and many times you will see a lot of interview questions on this backup and recovery whenever you go for an Oracle DB interview. Another responsibility as a Oracle DB is patching activity. Patching. Now what is patching? See, patching means, see, this is my database, okay? This is my Oracle 19c database. This database is actually a software which is written into the Java language. Now this Java language software can have a multiple bug, right? Any software can have a bugs. There is a chances that someone is hacking your system. I was having $100 and he hacked my database and then balance will be zero. There is a chances that my database is not getting started. It is automatically getting down. I don't know what's the problem. There is a chances that my backup is taking too much time. There is some problem with this software. There is a, because at the end it is a code. Someone has written the programming and they have created this software, or someone have attacked to this Oracle database. For that, what Oracle is doing, Oracle is releasing the patch. They are releasing a patch every quarterly, means every after 3 months they are releasing a patch. Patch means it is a additional software which you need to apply on Oracle database software, and that will remove all the bugs from your Oracle database. Whatever bugs you have, bugs means a problem, issues, whatever you have, that will resolve it. And who will give you that patch? Your Oracle team will give you. So every 3 months you need to perform this activity, and as a Oracle DBA you should know how to apply a patch on Oracle database. That is very important. We have a database which is having huge amount of data. That data is very critical, but there is a bug in your Oracle database, so someone needs to resolve that, right? Oracle only will resolve it, but only the thing is that resolution you need to apply from your side, and that is called patching activity. So in our class we are going to learn this patching activity also, how patching is going to happen. Another thing is we are going to learn about upgradation. So currently we are using upgradation. Now what is upgrade? We are always upgrading ourselves, right? We are always upgrading ourselves. If you are not getting upgraded yourself, do you think that you can survive into the IT industry? No, that's not possible. So upgradation means you are upgrading from lower version to higher version. Previously we were using old mobile phone which was having some 4 GB camera was there, then we use 8 GB camera, then we use 16 GB camera. We are using multiple phones nowadays. iPhone 14 is available in the market, correct? So many of you have been upgraded your mobile phone. Same way we need to upgrade our database from one version to another version. We have Oracle database coming with different versions like 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, and the latest version is 21C, recently released. So in our class we are going to see how we are going to upgrade our database from 12C to 19C. So this is the upgradation we are going to learn in our class from 12C to 19C. Why we are doing the upgradation? Because whenever you are using something new, you will get more features. You will get the more features. And again I'm telling you, if you are using the older version like 9i, 10G, 11G or 12C, okay, Oracle is not going to support you. Let's assume that your database is getting down frequently and you are reaching out to the Oracle team. Hi Oracle team, our database is getting down frequently, can you please support us? They will say, what is the version you are using? I am using Oracle 9. No, you need to upgrade your database to the at least 18C or 19C. Then only we will support you, because older version will not be supported by your Oracle. Okay, so that is the reason we need to upgrade our database to the latest database version. So we are going to learn how to upgrade our database also. Apart from this, there is something called user management. Like user management means like where you are going to create a user. So in this my Oracle database, there will be different users will be there. We need to create these users. So who will create this user? As a Oracle DB, you need to create this application user. You are going to create this application user, and to this user you are going to provide some privileges. What privileges? Like this user can create a table, this user can select a table, he can do select star from table name. So all these privileges you need to give, and that activity we called it as a user management. In user management we have other lot of things are there, we will see one by one. But user management means basically you are going to create a user, and to this user you are going to provide a privileges so that you are restricting this user to select other tables. So as a DBA we should know how to do the user management. Then we are going to learn about some automation also. Automation or shell scripting. See, what is this automation and shell scripting? See, in Oracle DBA there are many certain tasks are there, okay, which can be automated. Like let's take an example that backup. Let's take an example of backup. Which backup? Rman backup. Now I'm taking a backup, okay. Many times you need to take a backup in the night time. Let's say you need to kickstart a backup by 3 a.m. So one day you will take a backup manually, 2 day you will take a backup manually, but it's very difficult to take a backup, right? So if I want to take a backup by 3 a.m. in the night, instead of running that script manually, can I do one thing? I will automate this backup. Automate me this backup means I will write down one backup script. I will write down one backup script, and that backup script I will configure into some scheduler. That scheduler I'll mention the time like 3 a.m. and automatically that backup will start. Okay, automatically that backup will start automatically. I don't want to take a backup manually. My manager is saying that, okay, hi DBA team, write down a shell script which will take database backup, automatically in the night 3 o'clock, and it will send me the report whether the backup was successful or not. If the backup is successful, nothing to do because the backup is successful. If the backup got failed by any chance, then it is your responsibility to see, okay, why the backup has been failed. Then that's your responsibility. Okay. So we are going to learn about a very important part. We called it as automation. See, I'll tell you one thing that everyone know about the Oracle DBA, but very few people know about the shell scripting. So if you know this shell scripting very well, you are definitely increasing your package, because you are the very you can say that out of 10 people, only maybe 2 people know about the shell scripting, and you can be one of them. Because nowadays many things are going to the automation, so you should know how to automate the at least some of the things which we are doing repeatedly, like backup we are taking on daily basis. So we should know how to do the automation of your Oracle DBA. So I'll show you in our Oracle class only how are we going to take a backup automatically, and there are certain other activities are there which are included as a part of automation. Apart from this, we are going to learn about multiple other things are there, like table spaces, user management. Then we have listener. What is listener? I'll just take a small hint to you, like, let's say this is my database. To this database my users are going to be connected. Okay, this user want to connect to the Oracle database, but they are not able to connect. The users are not able to connect to the Oracle database. What is the problem? My database is up and running. This database is up and running, but still my users are not able to connect to the Oracle database. So there comes the concept, we called it as a listener. Listener is mostly listener is useful to make your connection, to make your this connection to the Oracle database, to make your connection to the Oracle database. Who is important for this? The listener is the one who is responsible to make your connection to the Oracle database. So you should know how to configure a listener and how these users can connect to the Oracle database and they can get a data from this database. So we are going to learn about this concept. Apart from this, we are going to learn about very important high availability concept. We called it as a data guard. I'll give you a small heads up about the data guard. Just consider one thing, that this is my server. Okay. On this server, this is my database is there. What happened if my server goes down? If my server goes down, what will happen? My database will also goes down. Correct or not? It's correct, right? If my server goes down, my database will also go down. How? Just take an example that if my Windows, this Windows 11 machine goes down, this Zoom application will also go down automatically. Correct or not? It will go. If my Windows machine goes down, my Zoom machine, my all this software, whatever I'm using here, everything will go down. Let's say this is my Windows 11 machine. If this machine goes down, whatever applications I'm using like Zoom, Chrome, everything will be go down. So it is very important that your server should be up and running. But server, like sometime it can go down also. But if my server goes down, I'm not able to access my database. In that case, there is a concept called data guard. What data guard is saying, we will have one more server. On this server, we will have same to same database. Let's say I have 100 tables are there. Here also we will have 100 tables. If I'm creating one new table here, automatically new table will be created here. So this is called my primary server and this is called my standby server. By any chance, if this server goes down, still my users are able to connect from this standby machine. So there is a concept called failover switchover that is coming under the data guard environment. So we'll see like how the high availability is going to happen over here in our class. Then we have a concept called ASM is there, automatic storage management. This concept is mainly related to the storage part, where our database related files are going to be stored over here. Okay. So apart from this, there are multiple other responsibilities are there, small responsibilities are there. Okay, I have just given you the heads up, like what are all the big responsibilities are there in our Oracle DBA. So like let me talk about the things that we are going to learn in our training. Okay, so in our training we are going to learn about all the important things, like starting from our Oracle server installation. We are going to see our Oracle server installation also. Okay, let me try to type here. Okay. So we are going to learn about your server installation. Okay, I think I already have everything here. Let me show you here. If you go to a training Oracle DBA syllabus here, if you go here, we are going to learn about the Linux installation. How are we going to install a Linux? Okay, we are going to install about the VMware workstation. We are going to use this VMware workstation for this. Different softwares we are going to use, like WinSCP, VMware workstation, Putty software, Mobaxton software. We'll be trying to understand about how to install our Oracle database, how to create a database manually, Oracle 19c database architecture, how to create a users table space, multi-tenant architecture. This is very important things. What is container database, pluggable database? We are going to learn about the listener, ASM, RMAN backup, recovery, how to apply patch, database upgrade from 12c to 19c. We are going to learn about the data guard environment, shell scripting, all the important reports, export import, real-time scenarios, in performance tuning. And one more thing I want to tell you here, that we are going to learn about the OEM also. Now what is OEM? I'll just give you a small heads up. When you work as a Oracle DBA, you need to maintain thousands of database. Let's say you have 1000 databases are there. So how will you come to know that which database is down? Are you going to check each and every server and see, okay, this database is down, this database is down, this database is down? No, that's not possible, right? I have 1000 database servers are there. So parallelly, I will have 1000 databases around. I'm just considering like that. So how are you going to monitor all these 1000 databases? It's not possible for me to log into each and every server and check whether my database is up and running or not. For that, I should have some sort of technology which will give me email message saying that this database is down, right? And what is that? That is called OEM. By using this OEM, Oracle Enterprise Manager tool, we are going to get a notification email saying that, boss, this particular database is down. This particular database backup has been failed. Whatever issues comes your database, not only database, even if your server also goes down by any chance, it will trigger you email message that this server goes down. If your file system get full, then also it will give you error message on your email box directly saying that this particular database is down. So you can directly visit to that database and check what is the issue. So in our class we are going to see about this monitoring tool also, OEM, and a basic of performance tuning. Okay, basic performance tuning I'm going to discuss in the class, like how to generate all important reportings like AWR report, then how to gather the statistics, how to uh, check the execution plan. Okay, um, gather the statistics, how to create indexes, all those like small and very important, how to check the top SQL which are running, long running queries are there, how to check their utilization, how to kill sessions, all these small very important topics related to the performance tuning we are going to learn in our class. Okay, so we'll see one by one regarding this. Okay, now those who have like any questions regarding the training, okay, they can ask me here. If you are interested to join this training, you can email me here or you can WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, so we will open the all the technical questions in next 2 days. We'll start asking and taking all the interview and everything. Okay, so those who are interested for training, they can reach out to us via email or you can directly WhatsApp us on this number. Now you can ask me, you can unmute yourself and ask me the questions which are related to the training. Okay, one more thing before we go ahead, we are providing a different training, guys. Okay, where the training what we are looking right now, it's a Oracle DBA training. That is Oracle DBA. The cost of this Oracle DBA training is 14,999. Okay, after this, once you are comfortable with the Oracle DBA, we are going to take the next training, that is a RAC DBA, RAC class. Okay, existing student, the fees is 14,999 Indian rupees. For new people who are directly coming to the RAC class, the fees is 19,999. Okay, so for existing student we are giving 5,000 discount. Okay, apart from this we are also giving a training on Golden Gate. Okay, that is next training. Okay, and apart from this we are also giving a training on SQL, Linux. These are all different trainings are there, but right now the one which you have enrolled for this, that is a Oracle DBA. RAC DBA will be the next class. Okay, so those people who are not enrolled till now, they can visit to our website. The duration will be around 2 months. It will take 2 months. Okay, we are giving the recording the recording will be available for 3 months of access. You cannot download it. It is just a view only access. Okay. Apart from this, rack is a separate course. Okay, rack is not included. As I mentioned here, the cost is already mentioned here. Rack is a completely separate course. We are not including rack with this course. Rack is a separate course. You can unmute, guys, and you can ask the questions if you have anything.
Hi, Ankush. I
Yes.
have one question.
Yes.
When you were talking about upgradation,
Hmm.
in my mind it was coming migration as what is the difference between migration and upgradation?
All technical questions we will take in the class only. Okay. Today
Okay,
I'm not
fine.
going to take any technical questions.
Okay,
I'll
sure.
take the technical questions related to
Mhm.
we'll take the questions related to the training only today.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, hi Ankush.
Yes.
What will be the duration for rack DBA?
Rack will be plus 1+ month. Minimum
Okay.
1 month. Minimum 1 month.
Can we take
That is separately,
simultaneously?
completely separate batch. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Ankush.
Yes.
So you start at 10, right? Chicago time? Is it 10 p.m.?
Chicago, I need to check. Let me check.
8 p.m. on your time, right?
Yes, it will be 9:30 p.m. for you.
9:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So just wanted to understand that whether you people like the session, just taking some honest feedback. Like understood those people?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Those-
Yes, Ankush. Sure.
Ankush, in case somebody missed that particular class, so whether you'll take just 5-10 minutes to revise that, or we have to go through the recorded session to
No,
understand?
usually what I do whenever I start a new class, means next day, we discuss about the interview questions also,
Yeah.
like to understand that whether you people have gone through the recordings or we understood or not. So we
Okay.
recap that and then we start our next class. And anyway, recordings are available. So that's what.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So we have like personally, I have trained thousands of people till now. It's my 52nd batch is going on. Okay, on Oracle DB now. We already have around 14,000 Oracle DB followers on our YouTube channel. You can also check my
Daily session will be of 1 hour or 2 hours?
1 hour. So it will be on this current batch will be on 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, Monday to Thursday.
Is there any update on morning batch, Ankush?
Morning batch, we already have one morning batch right now going on. So, but we have started taking the admissions for morning batch also. So as soon as my current morning batch get completed, then I'll start the new morning batch. I believe it will take another 15 to 20 days. Okay. So
Okay,
those people
so
who are from Pune location, they can come offline also. Yes, sorry.
so the morning batch is about to complete in 15 days.
Yeah, 15 to 20 days it will take minimum.
Okay.
Because in morning we have one rack batch is going on right now. So it needs some time.
Okay.
And all the sessions will be practically explained. Most of you people might have come by looking to the YouTube channel only. So if you have not visited our YouTube channel, so you can directly go here and search with my name. So we have a YouTube channel with my own name only. So,
Hello, sir.
yes.
Sir, any session on performance tuning?
Performance tuning we are going to take in the last.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We'll take the class up. Yes.
Could you please tell me the prerequisites required for the system?
Sir, actually, you said about ASM, which is related to rack.
ASM is also coming under the rack also. Okay. Whenever you are configuring your rack database, you should know the ASM also. So it's good, like, you people are understanding ASM here only, so it will be easy for you to understand RAG database. So I'll tell you one thing, that in our class we are learning everything actually. Believe me, like, this will be our class where you are going to learn not only core DBA concept, you are learning your data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, performance tuning, OEM, and all core DBA concept, like your user management, table space, listener, RMAN backup, export import, all this concept. Okay, so with this cost, believe me, no one will teach.
Ankush, sir,
Yes.
in this course, means indexing CMBs and .SQL pre post, which is involved.
Which one? Can you repeat one?
CMB.
CMB. What is that CMB? I don't know.
We apply it on the database server. CMBs or .SQL queries.
Is it related to the application DB?
Uh,
CMB you said, right?
yeah, CMB.
Oracle Fusion, it is something related to that. It's not something coming under the Oracle DB. It's coming under the Oracle Fusion. Okay, what about the like, someone asked me very important question related to the
Yeah, I was
laptop,
asking her
right?
about the prerequisites required.
Laptop, na? Correct.
Yes,
So
configuration.
obviously, like, whenever you are taking a training, you should have a laptop, because without laptop, how are you going to do a practice?
Yeah.
Now, if you want, the laptop should
But the
be
RAM and
minimum
all,
8 GB
could
RAM,
you
minimum
please
8 GB RAM. Okay.
okay.
But try to upgrade it to the maximum supported, whatever minimum 8 GB we need. Storage side, like, if you have 100 GB storage, that's more than enough to configure your Oracle database. But minimum 8 GB RAM, I'm saying again, it will be little slow. If you cannot run your other applications, that is important. Another
Yeah,
thing
Ankush
is, we
sir.
are also providing lab access. Okay, but this lab access is paid. Like, you need to pay 1000 rupees per month. Like, if you don't have laptop by any chance, like, if you don't have laptop with the good configuration, you can pay something around 1000 rupees. See, I'm not earning anything from this lab actually. We have also hired a vendor for this, so they are charging this 1000. So whatever their charges, we just need to pay.
Ankush
So
sir.
hmm.
Other than, I just wanted to ask, like, this lab will be like Oracle VM or
No, it's a instance only actually. Okay, you will already
because
get the Oracle Linux in that. Okay.
because I observed there is a lot of difference between production environment and lab environment.
Now, difference will be always there. Okay, even one production to another production also, you will see a difference. Okay,
Yeah, that's true.
every production environment is different. Okay, that is a
Because
process, because every project is having their own process. See, if I am the manager, I want my database to be managed like this, I will create my own process. Okay, but if I'm getting hired with the another workstation, maybe they have their different process. But at the end, what is important is
understanding.
understand. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I actually work for a Indian-based company with 5 years experience. What I actually installed Oracle VM on my home desktop, but when I was installing Rack few days back, there was there were a lot of challenges
No, it will
and
be there definitely.
difference.
So I'll tell
Yeah,
you one thing, that I work with the multiple companies. Like, if I just log down here, I work with the Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, L&T Infotech, okay, and small company which I'm not mentioning here also. All
yeah.
these big
Okay.
giants I already work with multiple clients. So all the environment will be same, but if your concept is clear na, then things will be much better.
I am into Bajaj Finserv, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, but here we have XRCC, and I just saw your few days back. Last 2 3 months, I am following you
Hmm.
and find very interesting.
Thanks man.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Just wanted a detailed if regarding, because patching and all things I think I'm good at it, but I just want a session on performance training. If it is paid or anything, it's fine.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Actually, I'll tell you honestly, very few people are there in the market, those who are very good with the performance. Okay. Even Oracle people also are,
Yeah, we even have a ACS support.
but that is also because the performance is little tricky actually.
Yeah, it's
So,
very tricky actually.
so that's
To be frank.
that's the fact we need to understand. Okay. But I'm not taking performance class. Okay. Means I'm not taking separately any performance class. Whatever I know, I'm teaching here only in the single class only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's 16 GB RAM is okay?
16 GB is more than enough. And that's good. Even you can install rack
Because
also.
I'm interested like DBA as well as rack also.
16 GB is okay for the rack.
Because I have like a much window machine.
RAM. See, I'm using 32 GB RAM. Okay.
Yeah, I have 30 GB RAM on my machine.
So I'm using 32 GB. So my system is running very fastly. So
Same.
if
My
yeah,
machine is also 30 GB.
then no problem.
There are
Like,
so many.
then no problem. So this lab access we have, see, I completely understand that many people do not, they cannot spend around 60-70,000, on the personal laptop. So for such type of people only, we have come up with the solution called lab access. Okay. So again, I'm telling you like 1,000 per month, if you use it for 3 months and if you complete your all the practice, okay, from day 1 to till 90 days, you have a time, then you will be champ by using this lab access. Okay. So 3,000 you will spend, but you will be very good with in terms of everything.
Yeah, sir, it's beneficial. If I don't think so, if 3,000 is a good amount for a good lab access.
Yeah. Okay. Any more questions, guys?
Ankush,
Yes.
what about the software? Where can we download this from? Where
That
is it?
everything I'll share with you. Okay.
Okay,
You just
will be
come
sure.
up with the laptop, one good internet, that's it. Everything I'll provide you.
Okay, and this performance tuning will be part of this this Oracle DBA. That's all.
Performance tuning will be there, but it is a basic one only. Okay, don't come up with the very high expectation. Okay.
Okay.
I'm because this is a Oracle DBA class. Okay, this is not a
I
performance class.
understand. You are right actually.
Hmm.
Oracle DB and performance tuning are the two phases
Two
of
different
Oracle.
things. Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you,
Yeah.
whatever I am going to see, I have like 1,000 plus people. My people are getting selected. Even my people are there in Oracle also. Oracle company, product-based company. My students are there. Every day, my students are getting selected to different companies. Okay. So whatever we are telling them, and obviously, they are also pushing from their side. Okay. So it's a combination of my efforts and their efforts, and this way my people are getting selected to different companies, and that's more than enough.
Ankush, any plans on cloud thing?
Cloud. Cloud, we'll see. Right now I'm really busy with a lot of training. We'll see.
Yeah.
We are
No,
also
because
thinking
in our environment we have exercise.
exercise. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll do that. We are working actually parallelly on it. Most probably in 6 months we'll start that.
Yeah. Fine. No.
Any
Thank
more
you.
question, guys, regarding
Which
training?
you get recorded classes
Recording you will
on
get it
WhatsApp,
for 3 months of access. Okay,
on WhatsApp group only.
there I'll share with you. You'll get it very soon.
Daily
Daily,
will
daily,
get.
daily.
Okay.
Same day you'll get the recording.
Okay.
Hello. This will it be helpful to get the certification, Oracle DBA certification?
I can guide you for certification. Okay, but our training is mostly specific to the real-time scenarios. Okay, we are not targeting any certification, but yes, most of the topic you will find that it is related to the certification only, and we'll guide you.
Hello, sir. Just if you are free, just I got a question from my colleague. Like, can I ask that?
Technical questions we are not taking today.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Hello, Ankush.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, actually, I missed that workshop. So, can I actually now I joined this group? So, I want to know about that. What is the procedure and how much cost is there? So,
So
that's
those people who are interested for the training, okay, they can reach out to on this number. You can note down this number, okay.
okay. So, I
And
got this. I got one number from what's YouTube. So, is this
you,
same?
that's okay, you can ping there also.
Okay. Okay, I will get it.
So all the details are actually available here also, like
And one more question: is this course in night or in morning? Because I am doing in night shift. So
no, this is 8 to 9 p.m, the same time, the current timing where what we connected.
no weekend batch is there.
No, Monday to Thursday. Weekend
And
batch we have, but no, like our weekend batch is completely full. We don't have any vacancies there. So you need to wait for weekend batch. Or what you can do, you can join this batch, and later on, I will shift you to the weekend batch.
okay, so when it will be started this course?
This course already started today only, first class. Tomorrow we are going to take our second class.
Okay, okay.
So it's not like we already got all the admissions, okay.
Yeah.
Only few admissions will take. It's already started, like we are not stopping now.
Okay. Thank you.
Ankush sir,
Yes.
after completion of this class, are you giving any certificate of
You
Learnomate
will
that?
get the training certificate from our training institute.
Okay.
The certification template, if you want to see, you can go here, scroll it down. Here we have the certification things is available. You'll get the certification.
Okay.
Ankush, this Oracle DBA and REC DBA both, if you join together, then how much will it cost? 20,000? You mentioned like that, 19,999.
No, rack DB. This is only for rack. Okay. If you are joining both, Dina, this is only for rack. Okay. If you are joining both Oracle plus rack, okay, Oracle plus rack, then it is 30,000.
Okay, okay.
Okay, 5,000 you are getting discount here.
Okay, okay.
But it is a combo offer only, okay. Not like you are joining now and then you will join rack. It's a combo offer.
Okay.
No, okay. I think we are good. Okay. If you still have any questions, queries, anything, you can ask me now. I'll just wait for 2 minutes and then we'll continue from tomorrow. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session today. So tomorrow we'll see the technical stuff along with the practical stuffs. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Please do like, subscribe, and share our channel also. Okay, you will see a lot of free content on our YouTube channel, and please follow me on my LinkedIn profile also. Thanks. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Thanks.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.